Surprising facts you may not know about India. No matter how much you learn about India, you can't know enough. The country's diversity has tons of incredible facts waiting to be revealed. Did you know that India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,000 post offices? A single post office on an average serves a population of 7,175 people. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar was inaugurated in August 2011. You may be aware of the Bandra Worli sea link, but do you know that the Bandra Worli sea link has steel wires equal to the Earth's circumference? Each of the cable is capable of holding 900 tons of weight. The entire establishment's weight is equivalent to that of 50,000 African elephants, a true engineering and architectural marvel. There are many cultures and religions followed in a secular country like India, but the only thing that unites the heart and soul of every Indian is cricket. And the highest cricket ground in the world, at an altitude of 2,444 meters, is located in India's Himachal Pradesh. And with millions of ardent fans, India finally got the world's biggest cricket stadium in the country in 2021. Narendra Modi Stadium, or the Motera Stadium, situated in Ahmedabad, India. This massive cricket stadium has a sitting capacity of 110,000. While we are on the subject of sports, here's another interesting fact about this Indian sport. India is where the game of Kabaddi originated. India has won all 5 men's Kabaddi World Cups held till now and have been undefeated throughout these tournaments. The women's Kabaddi team has also remained undefeated in all the Kabaddi World Cups. That's insane. Do you know that the number of people traveling in the Indian Railways every day is equal to the population of Australia? Connecting more than 7,172 stations, the Indian Railways is the largest rail network in Asia. Indian Railways is one of the top employers on the planet, having 1.4 million employees. If you see India like this, then this fact is for you. India has the third highest number of billionaires in the world after the US and China. Apart from these, here are some quick facts related to India. Are you sure you know them all? Think again. India is one of only 3 countries that make supercomputers. The US and Japan are the other 2. The Bombay Stock Exchange lists more than 6,600 companies. Only the NYSE has more. India has the second largest community of software developers after the US. Nearly 49% of high-tech startups in Silicon Valley and Washington DC are owned by Indians or Indian Americans. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to keep up with us on the Bright Muscle.